Ayun. Happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best. Tulad ng kandilang to, parang sa simbahan, sa youth, ikaw yung nagsisilbing liwanag sa amin. Kasi, yun, yung kay Papa, pag alis ni Papa, nakita ko sa'yo yung potential na maging leader na mamuno sa amin. Sabi nga, yung birthday, umpisa pa lang to sa another 365 days ng buhay mo. Kaya, teka, may kakantayin ako. Wait lang. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Happy birthday.
Wow, that was so sweet. Now we have Edgeline Chua.
Good evening, Berna. Happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Wish you good health. May good health ka na. Yun, lagi ka lang magpapagamit sa church. Saka, salamat kasi every time na may problema ako, ikaw lagi yung nakukwentuhan ko, ikaw lagi nagbibigay ng advice. And, ayun, bilang gante, dito lang naman din ako lagi para sa'yo pag may problema. Yun lang, happy birthday.